This is the astrological update for Taurus for the week starting the 29th of April, and this week it is your week, baby. It's your week to take control of your life. You're recharging your batteries as a Sun and Mars conjunction is making you embrace who you are and where you want to go. You are casting aside any fears and you are on it. Mercury, the planet of communication, also goes into your sign this week. You have the gift of the gab. You are able to persuade anybody with your silky ways to follow down the route that you want them to go down. And that is because you are expressing your passion for life and what you believe in. We also have a Sun-Mars conjunction sextiling Neptune in the position of your friendships. So you're able to get a friend on board, perhaps meet a new friend that is cheering you on and energizing you for the next step on your journey. We have Saturn, the Lord of Responsibility, trining Neptune, and it's all about your relationships and your friendships. There could be a commitment you're making to a lover, or you're seeing your commitments connected to love in a brand new light. But basically that's because you're feeling good about you. You've been made to think about relationships all year, actually. Your patterns in them, other people's patterns in them, the karmic process of your relationships. And this week you're getting some kind of answer. And it could come through a chat with a friend. When Mercury enters your sign, that all kicks off on the 1st, and you're like, oh my God, I feel differently. I feel able to express my desires. And even though it does go opposite Saturn, which is in the position of your relationships, you're able to say, you know what, it's time that I spoke my truth and I accept the consequences from speaking from my heart. If you do it with love, you have nothing to fear and everything to gain. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon.